Today, I'm showing you a foolproof recipe that's easy, moist, and so good it'll feel like you've brought the cafe into your kitchen. Let's get started.
Start by preheating your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, grab 150 grams of pitted medjool dates, place them in a bowl and cover with boiling water. Stir in 1 teaspoon of bicarb soda and let them soak for 10 minutes. Soaking the dates softens them, which makes them easier to blend into the batter. It also adds extra moisture to your banana bread. The bicarb's going to help break down those sugars for a smoother texture. While the dates are soaking, in a large mixing bowl, combine 250 grams of plain flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of baking powder and half a teaspoon of salt. Give it a quick whisk to mix everything together. Once the dates are ready, drain off the water completely and blend them in a food processor for 30 seconds. Use a spatula to remove from the sides. Add in 100 grams of room temperature butter, 80 grams of brown sugar, then blend again until smooth. Finally, add in 2 overripe bananas, 2 eggs, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Blend it all together until smooth and creamy. Pour the wet mixture into the bowl with your dry ingredients, then use a spatula to fold everything gently together. Be careful not to overmix the batter or you might end up with a dense banana bread. Grease a cake loaf tin with butter and pour in the batter. I'll leave the dimensions of the loaf tin in the description.
So we're just gonna place that into the oven. That's gonna bake for about 45 to 50 minutes. Your kitchen will start to smell incredible.
To check if it's done, insert a skewer into the center of the bread. If it comes out clean, you're good to go. Let the banana bread cool in the tin for about 10 minutes, then transfer it to a wire rack. To take your banana bread to the next level, grab a slice and add 1 tablespoon of butter to a pan over medium heat. Place in the pan and toast it until golden brown on both sides. Serve with a little more butter and there we have it.
This looks good. Oh, so good. Delicious. Feels like I'm at the cafe. This is the banana bread that doesn't disappoint, always goes down so well with a coffee. You've got to give it a go. And there you have it, the banana bread that'll make your home smell like a cafe and taste just as good. If you give this recipe a try, let me know how you go in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.